The time has come, yet again, for me to open up another package. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, Neil, bestie. Hope you're doing fantastically well. I am back. Tessa's back.
Yay.
We're all here, as usual. And we have some awesome new colors and glitters to take a look at. Yay.
Yay.
Woohoo! It is the new fall collection for Light Elegance 2023. And the theme is something that goes very well with everything that I believe in and love and eat and breathe and sleep. LE rocks! Woo!
Rock on!
And, you know, LE rocks, but, you know, we're talking crystals, stones, all that jazz, the stuff that I love. This collection is actually made with Light Elegance brand new containers.
Yes.
As you can see here, it is very nice, very pretty, and I really like the packaging. So you have it in buttercream, which is a hard gel. You have it in glitter gels, the new glitter gels. And then you also have it in the P+, which is the soak-off system, and you have the new bottles here as well. Super pretty, so they're like revamping everything.
Yeah, looks gorgeous.
It looks very like fresh and clean. I love it.
Yes.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. So we're gonna have a look at this. Let's start with the colors first. So here we have the package and I love it. I am so excited to see what's in here and to see kind of what they come up with when it comes to, you know, stones and crystals. Woo! The colors look really nice. So I am super excited to dig into this, of course.
Dig.
Dig.
In the dirt.
And here you have the card,
With some
the artwork. Yes, and I love it. I love that they have put crystals in there. I mean, this could not be more me. So first up, we have Stone Cold, and I'm guessing that we're looking at maybe something purple.
Love
that
it.
Tessa might love. It is very purple, and this is a Tessa favorite.
Ooh.
It is a Tessa favorite.
Ooh, it's a shimmer gel.
It's a shimmer gel.
Wow.
This is stunning. It has that super duper fine shimmer. And this is one of those gel, or the shimmers look amazing when it's matte as well.
Oh.
So you have like a metallic, almost like, yeah, metallic purple. Can you see that?
Super cool.
It actually really matches your hair.
Yeah.
A lot. Next up, we have I Lava You.
Aww.
So I'm guessing it should be something that's a little bit warmer. Yeah, we have a super metallic fuchsia.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Oh, it looks so pink in the shimmer. Because it's a shimmer gel.
Because it's a shimmer gel. Wow. It has the same type of shimmer as Stone Cold. So this is also one of those shimmer gels that you can do matte and have a really cool effect. Here you can do a really cool marble.
Yes.
With
yes.
the shimmers. I love this. It is so like deep. Very deep. Next up on our rocky list, we have Perfect Cut. What are you guessing? Perfect Cut.
Maybe something bloody?
Actually, yes!
Like
it is!
Cut?
Yeah,
like
it is!
Ooh!
Look at that! Ooh! This is like blood
red.
red.
Ooh.
Really, like, these type of colors are so popular for fall. Like, everyone wants to have that wine bloody red. Yeah. Not a shimmer gel. Shimmer. Not the shimmer gel. But yeah, it's a really dark, deep blood red for sure. So I do get the name Perfect Cut. Next up, can you dig it?
Can you dig it?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh yes, Can you dig it? I get it. I get it. Can you dig it?
Ooh.
Can you dig it? It's like
something chocolatey.
Yeah, but like, I was thinking like earthy.
Yeah.
Earth.
Like an earthy earth.
Like an
Earthy earth.
yeah, it's an earthy earth color. It's brown. It's like a mid-tone brown. Super pretty. It looks like Nutella.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have Nutella, but so this I would definitely do matte. I know. You know, matte, me, surprise! But yeah, this one in matte though. Like a brown matte. Come on. So nice. Taken for granted. And let's see what we got.
Granite feels like
Ooh!
gray. Nope.
Yes, kinda. It's like mauvey brown. It's a cool tone brown. So like the previous one was more like of a warm tone brown.
Yes.
This is a cold tone brown, but more like a mauvey brown. This one is also amazing. Once again, I would do this in matte for sure because I don't know. It's just something with like fall and matte that goes very well together. Last one. Rock my world.
Still into gray, but I'm just expecting gray from everything.
Ooh!
Oh my god, that's so green!
It is so green! Wow! I love this green.
It looks like an algae mask.
I was
thinking,
yeah, it does.
Yeah.
And I was thinking moss.
Yeah.
It looks like moss. So this is what you put over those other like brownish
This
colors.
looks like something you would put on your face with 2 cucumbers.
Oh, definitely. Don't. I love this green.
It's really pretty. It's like a military green, almost like a camo green.
And guess what? What I would do with this?
Camo.
No, I mean, yeah, maybe, but
Yeah. Moss.
moss, yeah, but mad. I would do it that. So yeah, I think right off the bat, this is probably my favorite. I am definitely digging this collection. Are you ready for some glitters?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna start with one that I think is gonna be Tessa's favorite.
Okay.
It is called Amethyst Kiss. So I'm guessing we got some nice purple.
Amethyst.
Wow! Okay, yeah. This is Tessa glitter.
I can see the sparkle from here. Oh
Yes.
my god.
Yes.
This is like the color I aspire for every time.
This is the color you live, breathe, and dream about.
This is like a purple.
The perfect purple.
Yes, I love it.
The perfect purple.
Love it.
Yes. And of course, if we're gonna combine it with something, it's gonna be Stone Cold.
Yes.
So you have this combination right here. And because we have a lot of like warm tones in here as well, I mean, you could definitely do I Love You.
Yes.
With this. Like this combination right here. Look at that.
Trio is like...
Woo! Okay, next up we got Mother of Pearl. So I'm guessing we got something white and shimmer.
Yeah.
Ooh! Yes! This reminds me of one of my favorite glitters. Wow. Swing by Sweden, but like fine or medium sized glitter. Swing by Sweden is one of my top favorites all time, not just because of the name. It is like the little sister to Swing by Sweden. I love this. So with Mother of Pearl, I would like, my first idea here is to actually combine it with Taken for Granted. So you have that nutty nutmeg color, and then you have this. It's like the opposite. Like you have something a little bit more muted, and then you have something super sparkly. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell ya! Then we got Clean Slate. I was thinking gray. And it is gray!
Really?
Wow! Look at that!
Wow. Oh my god.
So we got some black and silver in here, and this looks stunning. Like, it is so hard to get or do a black glitter because you don't get sparkle from black, so it is really hard. But I think that they really did a beautiful combination, and this looks like a stone, like a crystal. Yeah, for sure. This is stunning. It is sparkling so much. So for a clean slate, I mean, perfect cut with this, like the blood red with this is pretty cool. I kind of feel like a Phantom of the Opera.
Yeah.
You know, it's.
I was thinking like it's more
vampire.
of a rock and roll rock.
Oh yeah, or rock and roll. Yeah, it could be like exactly rock and roll
But
or Phantom of the Opera.
Yeah.
We got. Is it pints and quarts or pints and quarts? Because that is pints is very different from pints. I'm not sure what pints is.
What's pints?
What's a pint? Pints and quarts. Pints. Okay, we're thinking like beer, right?
Yeah.
But it can't be like beer and quarts. Are you Googling?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah! They both describe volume.
Yeah.
Ah, we get it now. In Sweden, this would be centiliter and liter.
Yeah.
Maybe. Not as punny.
No.
But hello, we love pints and quarts. Look at that.
Ooh.
A neutral.
Yeah.
Yeah, it almost has a tiny little bit of rose gold in it, but more like on the neutral beige nude side. It's like a nude glitter. This is a nude glitter. And I am going right back to my take for granted. So obviously this is one of my favorites, but look at that.
Gorgeous.
Look at this combination.
I would pair it with Can You Dig It as well.
Oh yeah, the brown one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is also really nice combination.
And maybe granite as well, taken for granite.
Like a three-way.
Yeah, like a three-way.
Yes. Sparkly three-way. Okay, we got diamond in the rough.
I'm gonna guess white on everything.
Yeah. Because it sounds like that.
Yeah.
I mean diamond.
But it comes from coal. That is black, and then it goes to diamond, and
True.
diamond can have like blue
Diamond
in it.
in the rough.
Yeah.
So.
We don't know.
Okay, we have another moment.
What is it?
I mean, it's stunning.
Yeah.
But nothing like even remotely close to what we were guessing.
Okay. What? Where does the pink come from?
I don't know. Where did we find the pink? But it is, I mean, this is stunning.
Yes,
It
gorgeous.
is stunning. This is a rose gold glitter.
Yeah.
A true rose gold glitter. This is amazing. Amazing. I see pints and quarts.
Ooh.
Definitely. Or if you want to add another color, then I would go actually maybe for Can You Dig It? Can You Dig It? This is so nice.
Yeah.
This is a really nice combination. The last one, you're a gem. Okay, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Schmack!
Ooh. That fuchsia.
Yes, we got the fuchsia.
Oh my god.
So I mean, a really like right off the bat.
I love you.
I love you. Together with this, I mean, come on.
They're like siblings.
Yes.
The perfect pair.
The perfect pair, yeah, for sure. And adding maybe a little bit of the stone cold. Look at that.
Yes. That's a gorgeous combo.
It is. I mean, you can go crazy and do Amethyst Kiss.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Love that.
This is gorgeous.
I think that is my favorites overall in the collection. The two shimmer gel colors or buttercreams.
Yeah, and these two glitters.
Those two glitters. Yes.
These are your favorites.
Yes. Those are mwah! Chef's kiss. Mwah!
That's pretty.
Spot on.
Spot on.
You
for
nailed
sure.
me.
Yes. Okay. For my favorites,
yes,
I'm gonna go with. Of course, I've been going on about this forever, so I can't not
obviously.
pick it. Yes. So it is taken for granted. And then I'll also be talking about the green. So obviously it's gonna be Rock My World. But then I actually want to go with Stone Cold.
Ooh.
Look at that combination.
Love it.
So those are like my favorite. I mean, that was half of the collection. Okay, so, but anyways. And then if I'm adding glitters, then Diamond in the Rough.
The surprise one.
Yes, and mother of pearl because it reminds me of one of my favorites. So, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Love it.
Cool. So I am super excited to show you some awesome designs and combinations in the upcoming next video. And as always, Light Elegance products are all HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And they do believe that what's inside matters. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel and Light Elegance channel, make sure to do that. And also give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, because it helps me so much. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Tesso, for being here as well, as always.
Thank you.
Yay. And we will see you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.